Welcome to BI Knowledge Point. Today I am here to explain you what is histogram chart and bin chart and how to create through Power BI. Let's begin. So this is our Power BI desktop. For bringing a histogram chart, we have to come in the custom visual site and then import from app source. And here in the search button window you have to write histogram, then we will get an like this one. Click on add. Since I have already added, so no need to require to bring another. So just I am going to click on here this button and I am going to create histogram chart sales by month. So dropping in that, dragging sales data and month data. So now we got the chart sales by month in histogram. Now we require to change in bin. So bin work as a bucket. So how many bucket you require? So that you can customize. So for that what we require to come to here and create new group, and then you have to define the bin, number of bin. So just click on number of bin. Now I am going to write down here 5. So now you can see we will get 5 bin data. So now see we got 5 bin data, and it is like I just said, like this is the customized bin. So if you require 10, 20, whatever your business require, according to your business you can modify. That's all for today video. Catch you in the next video. Please like and subscribe my channel.